In the beginning years, the Ivy Tech Muncie campus offered the following programs, degrees, and certificates in accounting, automotive mechanics, commercial art, data processing, food services, supervision, clerk typist, and stenographer. We only had 53 students enrolled. Growth escalated between 1971 and 1972 from 70 students to 348 students. And by the end of the 1970s, we had 1,500 students. In 1971, we were given approval to award degrees in applied sciences and technical certificates in machine tool, heating and air conditioning, and electronics. The first Ivy Tech Muncie director was Charles Faust. In February 1972, Central Office sent Jerry Lampley to Muncie as Director of Operations. He hired Muncie's first full-time faculty member, which was Carver Murray, in 1973. Muncie was facing an Ivy Tech dilemma. We had to get students in order to get funding, and unless we got funding, we could not get students. Central Office allocated $20,000 to help set up 4 programs. In 1973, Ivy Tech picked up a quality site at a sheriff's sale. The site had 15 acres and had a 15,000 square foot building and was originally occupied by the telephone company. Our community began to see the value of Ivy Tech. The business community was behind us all the way. They used our services, hired our graduates, and supported our efforts.
Fast forward 50 years later, as we continue to help this community thrive by providing a quality workforce through collaborative, innovative education, Ivy Tech strives to be an anchor institution the citizens of Muncie and Henry County can count on to have a positive economic, social, and cultural impact. Currently, we have a little over 5,200 students enrolled in Muncie, Henry County, and awarded more than 1,300 degrees and certificates last year alone. We work with the employers to determine their needs, and many serve on our advisory boards. We currently have nearly 400 employees, full-time staff, and adjuncts. We continue to practice fiscal responsibility while keeping tuition affordable. Our community has supported us through generous donations and a steadfast commitment. The proof is sitting right in the middle of Muncie with a new and renovated $43 million campus. None of this would be possible without this community's support. So let's celebrate this milestone together. Cheers to 50 years.
Cheers for 50 years.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers for 50 years.
Cheers to 50 years.
50 years.
50 years.
50 years.
Cheers to 50 years.
Cheers to 50 years.
Cheers.
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 Cheers to 50 years.
Cheers to 50 years.
Cheers to 50 years.
Cheers for 50 years.
Cheers for 50 years. Cheers to 50 years. Cheers to 50 years.
Cheers.
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 Cheers to 50 years.
Cheers to 50 years!
Cheers for 50 years.